Joe, what you need, tell mama. Listening to a jazz song, right? Sungazing right now in the morning. And, well, I'm just thinking about balance, right? Like, everything you do should be approached with balance. And this concept I like very much about ingesting something or whatever is the concept of fasting and feasting. So by doing this, you can figure out many things about yourself and what's going on around you, because you approach something with balance. The opposite of food is no food, and this is what fasting is. So in these times, everybody's feasting, and there's nothing wrong with feasting, right? So don't get me wrong, because while you're feasting, you interact with the world around you. You participate in this world, and it's totally fine. It's part of the process, but it's also part of the process to clean yourself and to naturally heal, because your body's always trying to achieve homeostasis, but you will never reach that if you give not your body and your mind the opportunity to heal yourself. So abstain from things. If you do that with everything, you will feel a lot lighter. Actually, this is what light is, into your eyeballs. So there are times, actually right now, some days I fast for the whole day and I eat in the evening, have a big meal, I enjoy it. Sometimes it's healthy, sometimes it's not, but actually, yeah, what's healthy? And sometimes I have a nice brunch, nice breakfast with my girl, and I enjoy it. That's the most important thing. So achieve balance with these things. Same with, I would even say, always go along with nature. So go along with the fruit, go along with the vegetables, go along with, even sometimes the meat, but know where it comes from and know why this is on your plate. So be conscious about what you ingest. This is it. You know the process, actually. And yeah. What is there to do? Not much, actually. You can do whatever you would like to do. Feast from the world. Everything. Participate in it. Don't try to label anything or yourself, because if you do that, you are immediately bounding yourself to some routine. And I figured out that it's about creating routines, but also collapsing and destroying them. And do this all the time. All the time. You can do that for periods. So just invent your own calendar, like the Mayas did. And by doing this, you create a new reality for yourself, right? Because if you bound yourself to something, let it be a new sports routine, a new weightlifting routine. You try that out. and you figure out, oh, okay, that might be good for me, or maybe not. But after some time, you should be able to collapse that and build something new, because now you have a whole different experience. And there, from an example for me was supplements. Well, the last 6 months I was abstaining them. Why? Because I was resetting myself to a point where I was able to understand, understand, and overstand these things, what they are actually doing. So now if I ingest them back, I can definitely say what they do. So if I come from a standpoint where my body is clean, nothing in it, now you ingest something, a seed, and the seed starts to grow. Well, there you have it. That's the present. So enjoy the gifts of reality. And just consider yourself as a unit which is interacting with its surroundings. Balance. Fast and feast. Enjoy.